Hello friends, today is our next session for ReactJs. As ReactJs is a library for building fast and interactive user interfaces, at the heart of all React applications is the component. A component is a piece of user interface. So when we build the React, we build independent, isolated, reusable components and then compose them to build the complex user interface. Here we will discuss some folders and files that develop by default when we create a new project. So first one is node module. This node module has all third-party libraries as well as React itself. So we can use these third-party libraries as we want to do some functionality. We will check it later. After that we have public folder. Here we have public assets of a user of our application like favicon, icon, HTML, index.html and other files. And next we have src. Here we have basic component, that is app component, and that component is responsible for rendering the app design. As we can see this black screen and the logo, all this is the app component. Now let us discuss the useful files that we can use in our project. So first we have index.html. Here we have some meta tags and HTML tags. Like this file contains the meta tags and HTML files. And after that we have manifest.json. This manifest JSON file include a bunch of metadata attributes. Next is the body section. This is important body section because there is a div with the ID root. This div is this div is a container where React application is going to appear. So this div is a container of our React app. Next we are here, these all components, and first one is our src app.js. This file is for app components. App component is the main component in the React which acts as the container for all other components. Here we have class, this one, or we can have function. And here we have app method. This method function where we have return, this one, and it contains markup. This is HTML code. This is also called JSX, which means JavaScript XML. This XML is the used to display all this. As by default logo, we have this code written over here. It is displaying here, right? And after that we have app css. This file is used for styling the design of the app. And similarly we have index.js file. It is the entry point of the application. This is the JavaScript file corresponding to the index.html. Okay, next is our index.cs. This file is also for styling for the index.js file. And after that we have package.json file, and this file has the list of node dependencies which are needed. Like when we create a project, there are some dependencies. These installed itself, and this package.json file created itself when we create a new project, and it will display all the required packages over here. Whenever we will install new package according to our requirement, then those packages description dependency will display here. Okay, so this is all for today. We have learned the structure of the project when we create a new React project, the basic files that created itself in our project and which are necessary to run a project successfully are created by default here. And after that we can create new files or folders according to our requirements. And this is all for today. We will discuss how we can create a new file, or how we can create use these files and link those files with each other in our next session. Thank you.